Hi y'all folks, this is Max from epic4gtouchroot.com. So I got a new ROM review of the AOKP ROM. It allows you to cool stuff like I got my calendar, just switching there for this week, and also my lock screen, instead of Sprint I got it to ZenoMax. There's a whole lot of things you can do with this AOKP ROM, and everything's pretty much now working out of the box. I've been actually watching this ROM. Now Wi-Fi, wireless WiMAX 4G is working based on IMM76D. This is supposed to be milestone 5. It's actually not an official version, but it's still, everything's working pretty flawless. One thing you'll have to go to settings, and if you go to ROM control, you can do all kinds of stuff. My last video was on the Galaxy Nexus version, which I went through all of this, but I'll go through it again for Epic 4G Touch users here. So general UI, and you can change the LCD density, custom carrier label, that's what I did, and also you can hold back to kill if you check that option. So let's say I'm running Play Store and I want to kill it. There you go, application killed. I love that feature. You want to try it again? Quadrant. So it makes it easy to kill, and if you're not going to use that app, you might as well kill it right on the spot. Let's look at some of the other options. Control, navigation bar. If you want 3 bars like a Galaxy Nexus, you can do it, but since you do have capacitive buttons, I don't know why would you want to. But you can actually customize it, add those 3 buttons, and make it do something else. You know, maybe launch your 3 favorite apps just for fun. Power menu options, show torch toggle, show screenshot. So now I can hold down the power button, I can turn on my flashlight, and I can turn it off. Oh, whoops, is it off? Okay, it's going to be on. But I'll show you another method. You can turn it off. Here, toggles. Let's go to general here. Yeah, that's not it. Performance. Let's go look at some setting button. Transparency. You can also disable data to save power. Say you're running out of battery and stuff. Battery icon style, you can change it to percentage, or with the circle mod. Circle mod is really nice, so you get a nice circle mod there. And signal, you can even change the signal. We've covered this before. Performance is great for overclocking, but this ROM does not come with overclocking yet. When it does, you'll be good. And you can have free memory up to 100, so you'll automatically kill off apps if you have less than 100 megabytes. There's an option where you can actually do is that under lock screens? Yeah, here you can enable your calendar, so you can see the upcoming events from my Google Calendar, multiple events, fast torch. So with the fast torch, what it is, when you turn your power off, and if you hold down the power button, it's going to turn on your flash. Now let me show it again. So I'm going to hold it down. It's going to be on, and it's going to go off when you do it. So I covered all those before, but I just want to show you again for Epic 4G Touch users. Love this ROM. Very practical. The only thing I think they should add is some kind of DSP manager, some kind of audio equalizing thingy, and you know, that would make it just perfect. Camera is pretty much ICS vanilla style, so you will like it a lot. Now let's focus. It was focusing earlier. There you go. It's just too close. I'm in macro mode. But it works fine. Camera. Not as fast as a Galaxy Nexus, but still fast enough for this phone. So definitely a great ROM. Definitely try it out. Highly recommend it because it's kind of new to the Epic 4G Touch community. Definitely love this ROM, and I guess that's it. Try it out and let me know what you think of this ROM. Use the Nova Launcher, that way you get all these things here down here. And that was a quick overview of the new Milestone 5. Milestone means it's stable. This is a stable version of the AOKP ROM. AOKP stands for Android Open Source, Android Open Kang project. Used to be all Kang from the CM9, and then now it's developed into a whole ROM. It's freaking awesome. Go flash it. You'll love this ROM. And if you have an Epic 4G Touch, don't forget to sign up for my email list at epic4gtouchroot.com, where I update you probably like once a week with ROM of the week, and you know, that way you don't have to sort through all my videos on YouTube and whatnot. And I don't share your email with anyone else. It's just for you and me. And if you're on YouTube, don't forget to hit that like button for me here and subscribe button here, and share this with your friends on Twitter, Facebook, or Google+. And if there's a ROM you've tried or you want me to review, don't forget to leave in the comment section, and I'll put it in my to-do list, and it will be converted into a video eventually. And thanks you guys for watching my channel. Stay high on Android, stay high, and don't be an whore.